Every beautiful song begins in complete silence, before a single note fills the air, before the melody reaches our ears. Another conversation has already begun. A language, so subtle, so precise, that most human eyes never notice it. A glance, a feather, a pause, a single movement of the tail. To us, they seem meaningless. To another canary, they can change everything. We often believe that birds communicate only through song, yet for a canary, singing is only one chapter of a much larger language. Long before the first melody is born, the body begins to speak. Every posture carries intention, every movement carries information. A raised head may signal confidence, a lowered body may reveal caution. Even the smallest adjustment of balance can quietly announce awareness, curiosity, or expectation. These movements appear simple, but together they form a silent vocabulary refined through thousands of generations. Some conversations are too quiet for human ears. Soft contact calls, delicate whispers, brief clicks, and tiny drops of sound rarely attract our attention. Yet these gentle signals help birds remain connected, even when no song is being sung. Listen carefully, and a hidden rhythm begins to emerge. One bird pauses, another answers. A single movement follows, then silence, then another reply. Communication is no longer random. It becomes a dialogue built from sound, movement, timing, and trust. Watch closely. Nothing here happens by accident. One bird observes, the other responds. Neither rushes. Every pause has meaning, every glance has purpose. Before two canaries ever sing together, they first learn how to listen. Their conversation flows without words, without grammar, without sentences. Yet every signal is understood. This invisible exchange strengthens social bonds, reduces conflict, and prepares the harmony that will soon become song. We have admired the beauty of birdsong for centuries, but perhaps the greatest mystery was never the song itself. It was everything that happened before the first note, the silent movements, the patient waiting, the invisible language, hidden in plain sight. Perhaps birds have never been silent. Perhaps we simply never learned how to understand their quietest words. We have admired the beauty of birdsong for centuries, but perhaps the greatest mystery was never the song itself. It was everything that happened before the first note, the silent movements, the patient waiting, the invisible language, hidden in plain sight. Perhaps birds have never been silent. Perhaps we simply never learned how to understand their quietest words. Every song tells a story, but every story begins in silence.